You don't start.
Yes, sir. Okay. I said today we shall be looking at what? Bearing and what? Distance. Now reply me now. Looking at what? Bearing and what? Distance. That's beautiful. And today is what? 27th, right?
Yes, sir.
Of July 2020. That's good. Oh. Okay. Before we start, I would like us to what? Know what a bearing is. Or how to what? Understand what the bearing as what a topic. Are you following now? In bearing and distance, this topic involves the four cardinal points at the Earth's surface in which locations are being what? Traced or identified in degrees. Are we together?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay. That is, we will be instructed by the end at the end of the class how to what? Travel, and also how to what? Calculate the sine and the cosine rules, which entails the distance and the bearing. And also we shall be looking at what? One location on the Earth's surface. 2, bearing involving 2 locations on the Earth. 3, also involving 3 locations starting from what? The starting points. Okay? Are we there?
Yes, sir.
But be reminded, when you are traveling, you must what? Travel what? In an anti-clockwise motion. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
You don't travel backward. You will travel what?
That's good.
Forward. Anti-clockwise what? Wait. Are we together?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Except if you have been what? Instructed. Otherwise. Thank you. So that's what we shall be looking at. So okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we have some examples on the board which we shall be looking at, and also let's see how this goes. Okay. Someone asked a question before now that he doesn't know how we will travel, how we got what the pole we just did. I will re-explain. Are we together now?
Yes, sir.
The first thing you do here is this: you will draw the 4 cardinal points on the what? Earth surface, which are this and this, of which the first one here is called the what? The north, and the down one is called what? The south. The north and the south are what? Connected. Are we there? By pole they are what? Connected. Just as the what? The south, the east, and the west are what? Connected. Are we following now?
Yes, sir.
Are we there? But at the middle of the H, they were being joined what? Together. Are we there? So how then can we what? Travel? Now, please, you must follow instruction. Are we there? This one is north and what? East. Then you say east and north, mind you. That means your traveling starts from what? The north toward the east. Are you following now? Are we together? Now let's see. Let's now assume in our traveling, this is the north, right? We are moving to what? East, right? But we did not get to east. Are we following now? We just stop halfway, 50, because every pole from one pole to the next pole is what? 90 degrees. Are we there now?
Yes.
Are we together?
Yes.
Now, traveling from 50, that means we are moving half plus, go this way, right? Let's assume that we are what? 50, right? Then you now cut it from the middle down. We now assume that we what? Our 50 degrees, right? And yet we what? Our what? 40 degrees. Just as in our percentage error, they say whatever a man calculates is always what? Wrong. And whatever that is there before is always what? Actual, which is what? Right. Are we there? So now, we assume that we what? Our 50 and yet we are what? 90 what? Degrees. 40. Okay, sorry. So when you add up this 50 and this 40, it gives us what? 90 degrees. Is that well understood?
Yes, sir.
Is that well understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I believe with this now we can travel all around the whole world.
Yes, sir.
That's beautiful. Thank you. Okay. What do you say?
I say, what about 64?
Okay, okay. Talking about this 64, right?
Yeah.
Yes, I told you before that every location from the beginning to what to the next one, from the first one to the next one is always what? 90. Are you following now?
Yes, sir.
Now we're having 64 here now. When you travel 64 from here to this place now, we assume that from here to here is what? 64, and the next one is what? When you now subtract 90 from 64, it gives you what? 26, right?
Yes, sir.
Am I right?
Yes.
So that's just how it goes. Okay. Also here from here to here is what? Also 90. If I'm traveling from any part of here, from west to north, You subtract 90 from what this, it gives you what the remainder.
Oh.
That's how to what get the next. Okay?
Yes.
Because each travel you travel is what 90 degrees. Are you okay with that definition?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Beautiful. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.